Hello folks, and welcome back for another video with Outdoor Adventures Austin Miller. I hope everybody is having a wonderful Saturday. Sound of the birds, a little breeze outside. It is a beautiful zen-filled Saturday day here in Newark, Ohio. What can I say, Miss Katie Moran, my friend? I love the sound of the birds singing. It is so beautiful and peaceful. Being out in nature feels good. Being outside, everything. I, for one, love it. I love it. Be sure to leave lots of likes and comments and plenty of views on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Lunar Equity 1993, over and out. Namaste in peace.